My family and I are about to leave on an absolutely epic camping trip.
You ready, boys? I'm ready. Okay, this road I've never been on either, so.
Which one?
This one here, between Edenstadt.
Yeah, but it's very visible, I think.
It's deep sand,
It's
eh?
not that deep sand, I think.
So if we're not back tomorrow night, we're somewhere. And your name is Savior, so
Yeah.
you have to come save us.
Yes, oh yes, oh yes.
With no bucky, huh?
Yeah, with no buggy.
Well, we finally made it to the Khaudum. It's been over 11 hours of driving today, but we are already rewarded by elephants in view of our camp somewhere back here. Right in that gap behind me, there's elephants already in view of our camp, and it's a beautiful, beautiful campsite. And now we've got to hurry and set up and maybe go for a little drive before it gets dark.